What's the laziest way to make money online as a complete beginner in 2025? Honestly, right now, there's a million different ways to make your first million. We're living in a time where opportunity is bigger and better than it's ever been before, while the barrier to entry has also never been this low. So as someone who's made over $10 million online, I'm gonna be using all of my experience and knowledge to help you understand which opportunities are actually worth your time, ensuring they make you good amounts of money, but also with the least amount of effort possible. I'm gonna be breaking down all of these opportunities by how much effort it takes to actually make money, since we're looking for the laziest options, how much cost is involved, how much risk is there, and most importantly, how much potential there is to make crazy amounts of money long term. Because it's not enough to just make good money with low effort. We want to ensure that anything we get into is going to help us unlock financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom, so we can actually live life on our own terms through pursuing this. The first opportunity I'm going to break down is affiliate marketing through short form content. Affiliate marketing is very simple. All you do is go find amazing brands, companies, or products you enjoy and see if they have an affiliate structure. If they have a good deal, you grab the product you like, film a video with it, and get people to purchase it through your link. The easiest thing is to just go on Amazon and have an Amazon storefront. But you can also promote digital products through things like impact.com or cj.com. You really can do anything. There's an affiliate marketing structure for almost every product in the world. And if you can learn the skill of mastering short form content and simply selling other people's products in your videos, you can make some insane money and you don't have to worry about customer support, legal issues, hiring people, or running a company. When it comes to the effort level of this side hustle, I would say it's a medium. Essentially, the effort's pretty low because all you have to do is grab a phone, film a video, and put a link in it. But to truly master storytelling and really get perfect hooks and actually get viral videos, it's gonna take a long time to master that skill. But once you do master it, that's a long-term talent that's never gonna go away. And most importantly, when you make videos online, they're essentially digital pieces of real estate. They don't disappear. So if you have a viral video and it consistently makes money for weeks, months, or even years, that's the definition of passive income. So even though the effort level is kind of high, I would say it's very worth it. Next, let's look into the cost with affiliate marketing. All you really need is a phone and an internet connection. And if you're sitting and watching this video, I'm assuming you have both. So there's virtually no cost. Now let's talk about risk levels with affiliate marketing. Essentially, the risk is really low because you don't have any startup costs, but you can potentially risk losing a lot of time. Obviously, time is the most important thing in the world, but in the starting phases of your journey, it's best to only be losing time and not risking any money. Now, let's talk about the potential with affiliate marketing. Honestly, there isn't really a cap on how much you can earn, so I'd say it's very high. I personally make millions of dollars a year through affiliate marketing myself. All of my free dropshipping courses are essentially affiliate marketing. Shopify and other companies pay me a lot of money to make those free videos. So as someone who's personally making millions a year doing this, I can say the potential is very high. A lot of people don't talk about this, but most of the live streamers that are incredibly famous making a ton of money are all making money from promoting gambling sites. They're all affiliate marketers essentially, and some of them are making millions of dollars a month. I'm gonna give affiliate marketing an A. The next opportunity we're gonna look into is investing, and this is going to be a very big blanket statement. We're gonna be talking about meme coins, NFTs, crypto, stock options, Forex. There's really like an endless list of opportunities when it comes to investing money. Investing is truly the definition of lazy money, but with that upside of almost no work being involved, there's a lot of downsides. When rating this on an effort level, I would say it's low to high, because if you're just simply looking up meme coins that you think are going viral and just clicking a couple buttons and putting it in, that's really not too much work. But if you're actually looking at technical analysis, looking at charts, when you're doing your trading or investing, that can be a crazy amount of effort, and it's a huge skill that you have to learn. So when it comes to the effort level, it's basically up to you. Going over cost, this is incredibly high. For you to make any money trading or investing, you have to have a lot of money up front, especially if you want to do it relatively safely. Yes, you can always put $1,000 in a meme coin and it could 300x and you can make a ton of money, but the risk level associated is astronomical. It's also probably not going to happen. And even if you do make that money, you're going to be addicted to that income source and you're probably going to end up losing it by gambling again. To actually get into trading and investing properly, I'd say you need a minimum of 10K, and that's even incredibly low. Risk level, this is obviously infinite. You can go to literal zero and lose everything you put in. So overall, I would say this is just a form of gambling. The only time it's actually an income source and you're actually doing it properly is if you're preserving wealth and not really looking to make insane amounts of wealth through trading or investing. When it comes to the potential, obviously it's very high, especially if you're looking at meme coins and NFTs. But obviously that risk associated is pretty insane, and overall I just don't think this is worth your time at all. This opportunity would overall get a D in my books. Opportunity number 3 is dropshipping, which is essentially just selling other people's products on your own personal website. And whenever you get a sale, the manufacturer ships that order to your customer. Effort levels with this are incredibly low, as close to zero as you can really get. If you want to get started with dropshipping, the best thing you can do is go to yourfirst.store. This is a company that gives you hand-built custom Shopify stores for 100% free. The store is also filled with 8 winning products that are handpicked by me and my team. Yes, this is one of my own companies. Once you claim your store, you're also given a free 6-hour course that teaches you how to take that store up to its first 6 figures in sales profitably. So you really don't have to do anything. You're hand-given a store with products that are ready to sell right now and a free 6-hour course that teaches you what to do. Let's talk about the cost associated with getting into dropshipping. You need a grand total of $2. $1 is for your Shopify plan and the other $1 is for AutoDS. AutoDS is the company that does all the fulfillment. So they help you source products, connect them to your website, so every time you get an order, it's automatically fulfilled by them and you don't have to worry about a thing. Now let's talk about risk. Since you put in $2 and you have to dedicate almost no time because you're getting a hand-built store with products and a course, I'd say the risk is 0, but technically it is $2 of risk. Now let's talk about potential with dropshipping, and I want to go into this one a little bit more in depth. The potential with dropshipping is essentially limitless because you can learn how to build a dropshipping store and then convert that into a genuine brand where you actually start getting inventory, hiring employees, working with influencers, and creating a real company. And at that point, brands like that can be sold for hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars. But obviously we're getting into a different level where that's not like a lazy way to make money online, that's creating a full-time company. But the opportunity inside dropshipping is insane, and what I really love about it is it teaches you all the skills that you would need to be a successful businessman. Hiring, taxes, marketing, inventory, legal structures. It basically teaches you everything with the lowest risk involved, and that's why dropshipping has a very special place in my heart. I'd give dropshipping an A ranking. Now let's talk about Tik Tok Shop. This one is actually pretty insane. I can say with full confidence that Tik Tok Shop is the craziest opportunity I've seen in my 8 years of making money online. There are moms on Tik Tok Shop literally bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars profit a month. And all they're doing is using their iPhone to make pretty boomer videos. Some people are even making millions of dollars a month on Tik Tok Shop. It's absolutely insane. Now, when I say Tik Tok Shop, I'm talking about it from the creator side, not from the business owner side, like the people who are actually selling the products on there. I'm talking about the people who are making videos and content to promote those products. Creators on Tik Tok Shop really have 2 different income sources, through videos or through live streams. Videos have massive potential to make insane amounts of money, but live streams are very easy at making consistent income. I personally know 2 people that are making $100,000 a month consistently just through Tik Tok Shop live streams. They used to be my past students, but they quit dropshipping, went all in on Tik Tok Shop, and in their first 90 days, they were already making $100K a month profit. It's absolutely absurd. The opportunity is so crazy that I even tried to do this myself. I did a 30-day challenge, and in those 30 days, I went live 15 times. I only worked 35 hours out of the entire month just doing live streams from my phone, and I made over $6,200. It was probably the easiest money I've ever made in my life. So when it comes to an effort level associated with Tik Tok Shop, I'd say it's the lowest that I've ever seen. All you really need to do is grab a phone and show up. Think of doing a full-time job. That's 40 hours a week. I only did 35 hours in a month, and I made more than 70% of full-time working Americans. If you break down my $6,200 in income to how much hours worked, I was making $175 an hour. That's more than a surgeon. It's just ridiculous. Now let's get into the cost associated with getting into Tik Tok Shop. You would think it would be 0, but it's actually $400 or even more. The reason is you need a TikTok account that has 5,000 followers. And when you're buying one of those accounts, the lowest you can get for an actual really high quality account is around $400. Talking about risk, it's pretty low. I mean, you are putting $400 in, so that's a decent risk for some people. But if you calculate the opportunity associated with it, it's an incredibly low risk in my eyes. Live streams are almost a guaranteed income. If you were only focusing on videos, I would say the risk level's higher, but also the reward level would be higher because if you have one viral video, some people are making millions off just one video. It's incredible. But when you actually do live streams, the money is is pretty consistent and pretty much guaranteed if you just show up. Also, all the money you make, you can just instantly transfer to your bank. Talking about the potential with TikTok Shop, I think it's pretty much limitless. There are people out there doing $3 million a month. There isn't a side hustle that only requires a phone and some free time that can bring in that high of a potential. And it's not only that your potential is incredibly high, it's crazy how guaranteed your income can be at the lower levels. Meaning that if you just want to simply replace your job and work from home almost instantly and guarantee that you're making more than your old hourly wage, TikTok Shop can almost 100% guarantee that you can do that within your first couple weeks to a month of getting into it. And this isn't financial advice, that's going off my personal experience. So this one for me has to be an S+. Now, if you want to learn how to get into TikTok Shop, me, Luke, and Noah created an amazing course and community teaching you guys exactly what they're doing to make $100,000 a month in profit. They show you behind the scenes of everything they're doing. They reveal their product to you and show you exactly how you can follow their steps and get into this industry. If you want to come join the course and community and get personally taught by me, Luke, and Noah, then scroll down to the description of this video. There's going to be a link to join. Use code SHOP at checkout and you'll save 20% off of the course. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.